Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And tonight I did a couple of videos on the block shadow. And I was showing, what it could do and whatever. But you know what? What is really cool that I did just by here and kind of by accident, we're going to left click, right click in a purple. Then we're going to hit F12 on our keyboard and make that quite a bit bigger, like 12 points. Now I made it let's make it 36 points. Now look what happens when we do the block shadow. Just kind of grab it anywhere and move it down a little bit. Look at that. That to me would be really cool on a t-shirt. Kind of like it's uh, already ready to go, just like that. Let's go, let's put on a blue t-shirt, go to object, order, back a page. That would look pretty good. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.